Now come to the point D. There were very few people in the fair. The answer will be false. E. The child's parent had told him to listen to the flute. Not. It will also the false. The juggler was selling sweets. Answer will be false. G. There were camel in the fair. This also be false. The child's favorite sweet was gulab jamun. Not. The child's favorite sweet was barfi. So the answer is also false. Now come B.2. Tick the correct option. First question is, why did the boy start crying? Then we see all of the option. My option will be C, because he lost his parents. Then in the question number 2, which of these the man did not offer to the child? Did not offer a roundabout right. Okay. Question number 3, which of the following according to you the child may have felt when he lost in the fair? That having your parents around is more important than toys and sweet. Okay. Now come B.2. B.2 have also some questions. I take the answer in the description box. Please, you can now see. Then we come to the she compound word. Achha, compound word, what the meaning of this? Okay. Then first is footpath. What do you mean by footpath? Then answer will be a narrow path is called footpath. Second question is bullock cart, a cart driven by bullock. Bookshelf, a shelf of book. Roommate, mate in our room. Classmate, mate in our class. Blackboard, blackboard which teachers write. Now come to the question C.2, season. There are some seasons here, right? That the season is spring, summer, winter, and rainy. Then we find how, and we can play some word game also within this group. In first we write spring. What some things we see in the spring. First item is flower, then Saraswati Puja, and then greenly. Everything in the summer we see greenly. Then we come to the summer. Summer, the first will be fans, cooler, and cold drinks. Then is winter. Winter we use heater, sweater, gloves, and clothes. Winter in heater, sweater, and gloves. Then rainy we see clothes, rainbow, and raincoat. Now we come to the grammar position. Grammar position. Then we come here that what will we direct and indirect verb. The first is the question that now change the following sentence into direct speech into indirect speech. First question is, he said to me, would you like to see the Taj? First, you have to know that in narration we change the subject into son. My mean is son. First we change subject, then object, then noun. Then look at the question A. He said to me, would you like to see the Taj? My answer will be, he gently asked to me if I would like to see the Taj. Then B question, Hira said to Sona, can you play with me? Hira gently asked to Sona if she could play with me. The teacher said to the student, do you like traveling? Answer, the teacher asked the students if they like traveling. D. The child said to his mother, will you give me a glass of water? The child gently asked to his mother if she would give him a glass of water. Now E. He said to his friend, have you ever eaten barfi? He asked to his friend if he had ever eaten barfi. Okay, now this complete. I have completed some grammatical classes, and now activity. In activity, I give you some homework that you work in pairs and make a list of things that you can buy in a fair. Thank you.